to Phonics for Preschool Children. Today we're going to learn a new sound. I'll hold some objects up, you tell me what you see, and we'll see if we can work out what today's new sound is. That's right, we have an oblong, ostrich, orange, ox, and octopus. So can you tell me what today's new sound is? It's the sound O. O for octopus. Can you say O? Can you say O in a loud voice? O! Can you say O in a quiet voice? O! And can you say O to Tabitha, our listening bear? O! Let's play our flashcard game. When I show you an octopus, I want you to say octopus. And when I show you an O, I want you to say O. O. Octopus. O. Octopus. O. O. Let's see how we write the O sound. We start at the top and we go all the way around. It's dinner time for Lexi and Muna. I need to catch them some food. Lexi will only eat things that start with the O sound. But Muna would eat anything else as long as it doesn't start with the O sound. So should we try to catch some food for them? I wonder if you can shout out which sound you think the object starts with, so I know whether to feed Lexi or Muna. I have a mouse. Mouse. That's right, it starts with a doesn't it? So that's some food for Muna. Let's try again. I have an otter. Otter. That's right, it starts with an O, so that's some food for Lexi. I have an apple. That starts with an A, doesn't it? So that's food for Muna. And last of all, I have some olives. That's right, that starts with an O, doesn't it? So that's food for Lexi. Should we see how many sounds you can remember? Are you going to tell Lexi and Muna? Da. S. T. A. I. O. G. If you're feeling creative, you might want to give your children the letter O. and give them some beans or buttons or seeds and ask them to decorate it, and maybe each time they place a button on the letter they can say oh, oh, oh. And of course you could go on a sound hunt either inside the house or around the garden and find things that start with the oh sound. We've reached the end of today's lesson. If you found this useful in any way, then please could you subscribe to my channel. It would be really helpful. And in the meantime, keep practicing those sounds and keep doing lots of oral blending and segmenting. There are more videos on my channel about this. But for now, it's bye-bye. Bye!